phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it, now I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late.
What's up guys, Jordan from TechSpace, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a size comparison between the brand new Arrma Fury that was just released and also my other short course trucks. Now a lot of you think that size matters, so in this video we are going to find out. Check it out. And that is a size comparison video between the newly released Arrma Fury and all of my other short course trucks. Let me know in the comments down below if you are surprised by its size between any one of the other vehicles. Now my idea is that you guys have all probably got a short course truck of similar size, whichever one of these is in your arsenal, and it's good to know just how big the new Fury is compared to some of the other popular vehicles on the market today. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also if you haven't done so yet, you know what to do. Please give me a subscribe, guys. It really helps the channel out. I'm Jordan from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.